Lady Jackson. It's always wonderful to have you here every week, looking at my content day to day, subscribing, commenting, hating, loving, and everything. But still, I love you because it's always amazing for you to come here and have your own beautiful experience of this persona, of this amazingness that I offer you. Now guys, for those of you who don't know, just a quick reminder, I give you trending topics, entertainment, celebrity, gossip, politics, religion, all round, but most of all, I give reaction videos to reality TV shows, Nigerian Idol, The Voice Nigeria, BB Naija, and just all around trendy, juicy spice. Of course, with that said, yesterday was the episode 17, and in fact, the semi-finals of The Voice Nigeria Season 3 2021. It is so shocking that we've gotten to this point in such a short time. Now, first things first, I delayed to post the video because I was trying to live stream to you guys, and then I didn't understand my way around it. I need to learn it. I'm sorry about that. I was supposed to live stream, and so you watch everything live, from your YouTube account and everything. But of course, I would fix that for the next time. The finals, oh my God, it's gonna be spicy. So first things first, am I the only one who is disappointed that The Voice Nigeria decided to just make the show so short? Yesterday was the auditions and today is finals. How? What was the reason? Because I was like, how? We want to see the show get longer, spicier, sweeter, more competitive. To be honest, next week is the finals of The Voice Nigeria. And so far, there are top 6, and from them will emerge the winner. But the show was too short. We didn't get as much as we wanted. We wanted to see some more fights. We wanted to see some more deliveries. We wanted to see the contestants explore their reggae parts, their Afrobeat Nigerian vibes, their Latin American vibe, their R&B, their pop, their rock. We wanted to see more. We didn't want just a whole transcendence of the judges just select any song that we feel my contestant would win with. You get me, right? Of course, a lot of you have been airing your views about how I kind of pop up a little singing before the contestants video pops up and you like it. Of course, hopefully next year I might try, but y'all know that this is my space. Lady Jackson has to make sure she's delivering every time. Oh God, I look so stunning. Ooh, I don't want so cleavage today because, I'm trying to maintain holiness. So what I'm going to do in this particular video today is analyze the top 6 contestants via their strengths, their previous experiences and everything, and how far they've come. Now, it seems like we're supposed to vote based on how good they did the last time. On my list, like I said, I'm going to analyze each of them via their strengths and their possibilities of winning. So there are top 6, and I'm going to start from my least favorite from yesterday's performance. Now, this doesn't mean that person is not a superstar, because I am not sure I can even compete with any of them when I come on that stage. But of course, let's see how it goes. Now, on my number 6, as far as I'm concerned, from the day one of the auditions till yesterday, my number 6 would be Easy. Now, Easy, how do I put it? Easy Elizabeth. Easy was on the first episode of The Voice Nigeria 2017. I think so. If I'm not mistaken, y'all don't know about it, but it's true. From that time to this point, she has grown, she has developed, and she's an amazing singer. Jump on the river, push, strike, and kill. I'm not gonna leave you, there's no way I will. Now, of course, like I said, she's an amazing singer. She has a big, bold voice. But over the time, we've noticed something. Izzy tends to have been all shaky, tensed up, or like she was thinking about a whole lot of things. Yes, it is true that Nigerians never expected. She doesn't even expect that she was going to be in the top 6. And it's crazy. But it just only showed that people actually love her. People actually respect and value her amazing performances and her voice and everything. She's a superstar, but generally she would be on the number 6 for me, and I believe that when she goes out she'll do amazing. And I really hope the Nigerian female artists would always inculcate this upcoming female artists into their team, teach them, get to do collaborations with them. It will help them below. Yes.
So, we've all heard 6 of them sing their hats out to you, Nigeria. And this week, your votes will determine which one of them will be crowned.
Now, I need to point out something to everyone. I see your comments on my comment sections, on my videos and all that. I need to let you know that The Voice Nigeria, Nigerian Idol, BB Niger, these are franchises of big businesses. Like, you guys need to understand that using content from their videos is liable to being banned from using YouTube, from copyright claims, copyright strikes. So that is why I put a few seconds of their content so you get a feel of what they actually did. I give the best parts of their performances. That's why you see the way I do my things. Then I give you the analysis and everything. So please understand that. On my list would be okay, so like it's not easy. 5th on my list would be wait, let me get my phone, because like, oh my god, like I don't even know who to pick because this is crazy. 5th on my list would be Kity. Now, Kity is very experienced on Nigerian music competitions. Like, he was on Project Fame, right? He got to like the top 5 or top 6 or something. He's good. His voice is nice. His stage presence, to an extent, he has one of the strongest stage presence on this competition so far. No cap. But I'll just put it this way. Kity's voice started dying down over time. I don't know why, but of course, he is on my Now, on my number 4 would be one of your favorites, like literally your most favorite, and that is Kpee. Now, Kpee, this competition is called The Voice Nigeria. But of course, every country that has the voice competition has to have the spice of people who do their indigenous content and does it well. Now, Kpee is an amazing, he's an amazing performer. He has the vibe of the Afrobeat Nigerian beauty to it. Africans, Nigerians, all around, people outside the continent love him. It's just that over time, in the last 2 performances, especially yesterday's performance, Kpee was too lax. Kpee was druggy. Kpee wasn't giving it his best, but it was beautiful. And his voice has developed, which is a beautiful thing. Guys, like, this is so much stress. I'm now understanding why and how the judges actually feel. Like, okay, on my number 3 is no other than Dapo. Dapo is sensational. Dapo's voice, although sometimes I'm like, okay, his vocal technique is not something I would use to sing. He has understood, he has a vocal memory of his voice, he has understood his technique, and he delivers. His poorest performance to me was that of last week. Yes, the Flavor song. But every of his performances has been amazing, especially the one he did with Peace, that Beyonce song. It was perfect. Dapo deserves a stage on Nigerian music. Now it is up to the top 2. We're up to the top 2 on this analysis, and it is crazy. These top 2 ladies are outstanding. Now, of course, let me just give a quick biography on the both of them. First off is Esther. Esther was on a competition in 2017, thereabouts. I think she was 18 or 19 or something. I can't recall. But Esther was on a gospel competition and she emerged the winner. Like her voice is powerful. Her voice deserves to be on an international competition. She knows what it comes when you come to deliver range. Esther knows how to. And so far, for someone who does purely gospel, Esther has also let us know that she can deliver contemporary R&B and circular music very well. I'm not going to be surprised the church is behind her. Now, of course, not forgetting the one and only Naomi Mark. Okay, it's not Mark, it's Mac, M-A-C. Naomi Mac is... Okay, let me just put it out there. I was in secondary school or something, or I was in my early years of university when, in university, so I cannot recall. That was when Naomi Mark was on the first season of Nigerian Idol where Yeka Onka won her, and it was heartbreaking because Naomi Mark was exquisite. Her voice is amazing. Her whole family sings, like everybody, her mother, her father, her sisters, her brother, and they're all good. But something I've noticed from Naomi Mark is that her stage presence, her delivery, her understanding of her voice, her understanding of Nigerians has blown so good, and it's amazing to watch that she's this good so far. Naomi Mark is a top contender. She has even featured, I think, 2 Feet or something. Now, of course, guys, like I said from the onset of this video, this is my personal analysis of every of the contestants. They are amazing. They're so good. They made us understand that finally The Voice Nigeria is serving what it was meant to serve. The season 1, the season 2 wasn't all that. Although they had amazing singers, like don't even go there. Don't even go there. Their singers are outstanding. But of course, so far, this is my analysis. And to put it out there, Nigerians, you need to vote for your favorites. Like, you really need to vote. It is left to you to crown the next Voice Nigeria, and it can be anybody. Literally, we will be shocked by what will happen, because I feel it's crazy. For me, if you say I should crown the next Voice Nigeria via what I feel the voice is needing, then of course it might be either Naomi Mark or Esther that will win, because their voices are amazing. Then of course, let's say a runner-up would be one of them, and then Dapo and Kity. That's how it is for me. But let me tell you, the fan base of every of these contestants are crazy. They are raving. Now, of course, Naomi Mark and Esther are dragging the church votes. Esther has a lot of it. Naomi Mark has a lot of it, especially the tush part of the church. And then the average understanding Nigerian church backs up Esther. And then every other Nigerian who loves her, you know, that's how it's going to be really. On the other hand, now the remaining contestants, those who have someone like Kity, who has amassed followers and fans from previous competitions, they are rooting for him. He's a sexy man. He sings beautifully, so the ladies will be also for him. Dapo is an amazing singer. His church, every competition he has gone to, will back him. Esther, Nigerians, average Nigerians understand that Easy is an amazing singer, and they want her to get to a point where she goes back no more, and that's a good thing. Therefore, Kpee, the average Nigerian understands what Kpee is bringing to the table. He's literally the Nigerian vibe, the performer that Nigerians crave. And to be honest, I actually feel Kpee would be the winner of The Voice Nigeria Season 3, except for Kpee. The Nigerian music system doesn't always value the overly vocal people if you don't add the Nigerian African Afrobeat fuse into it. So Kpee has the highest advantage beyond every other contestant. The average Nigerian is rooting for him. The guy on the streets who luckily found his video is rooting for him. Kpee has delivered. He like, for someone as young as him and doing this good, I am so proud of Kpee. And this is not a video hyping him, it's just the truth. Nigerians don't care about all the nonsense talk. We want you to give us that sensuality, give us that sexual healing, give us everything that we crave, and make us smile and say, oh, a beautiful love story and all that. Kpee has it, and I wish him luck, really. And that's just my analysis, guys. Like, now, of course, as we round up this particular video, I need you to understand something. You need to vote for your favorite. Every one of them deserves your vote. Go to the website, use your MTN and your Airtel lines, vote. I am still going to vote. In fact, I will try my best to even give them equal votes from me. Let it not be that I was biased, because it's crazy. I wish them all luck. One thing I also need to point out is that every Nigerian celebrity, artist, producer, record label should pick these guys. They're so good. Ama Ifula Peace is amazing. They should pick her. She's amazing. And then, of course, y'all saw the market Darey was telling yesterday when he told Kpee that I would always want to be with you all this step. Darey is wise. He knows how to sell his market, and he understands the Nigerian. Because all I saw Darey Adaladi was doing yesterday, because I feel he has foreseen the future just like I have, that Kpee is going to be a superstar. Nigerian music artists, record labels are eyeing that boy already. Forget it, let's not even go there. They're eyeing him. So Darey Ataladi wants to either find his way in such a way that he can either be Kpee's manager. And let's be all out there, Darey is the most experienced coach on those seats in this competition. He has experienced the music business even far better than the others, and he understands it. I just feel that, of course, if Kpee chooses him to be sorry, I need to get water. I don't talk too much. If Kpee chooses him to be his manager, he would actually do well. But of course, that's left for him. Naomi, Mark, and Esther, if they do win or not, they will be big names in the Nigerian gospel music system. By far, no cap, like they will be big. Then Kity and Dapo, they will do amazing if some artists get to sign them. They're like a whole different version of their Victor AD, the rest, you know, all those boys that sing so nicely. Easy. I hope a female artist will pick and sign that lady because she's good. Her voice will do something outstanding. Now, guys, that's all for this analysis. Whatever your view is, your thoughts, please share comments down below in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe because I'll be bringing you all the remaining